This is the first place we stayed at last year and this year, Cab at the Park. We booked this visit on Airbnb, which worked out to be around $1,200 USD for the month, including electricity. Fully furnished and equipped with a coffee maker, cutlery, pots and pans, beach towels, Wi-Fi, cable, pretty much everything. A king-size bed, 1.5 bath. It is on the other side of the highway, but it is still walking distance to the beach, close to a huge grocery store and some local restaurants. There is a beautiful rooftop pool and a small gym. This apartment was only available until November 5th. From there, we had booked another place. There are 3 beach areas walking distance to us. We pack our cooler bag, we grab our $4 blanket, and we hit the beach. This is Quinta, or Fifth. It is a 5-mile-long walking street with stores like H&M, Forever 21, even a Rolex. If shopping isn't your thing, not to worry. There's a plethora of bars and restaurants to pick from. Sit, have a beer, have a margarita, eat some tacos, eat some guacamole, just people watch and take it all in. If you've never had a huarache, this is your sign. There are several souvenir shops where you can find anything for anyone. Cute ceramic dishes, hats, keychains, tequila. I'm sure you'll find what you're looking for that special someone. One of my favorite spots to grab a beer is actually called Garen's. They always have fun live music and the staff are super friendly. This is one of our favorite spots to grab a bite. These guys are always busy. We usually get 2 whole barbecue chickens to go. One order is only $7 US. They come with some rice, tortillas, pickled onions, a mild red salsa, and this smoky, spicy, brothy sauce. Oh my god, it's so good. This is our new apartment. It is smaller than the last place, but it is in a way more convenient location, closer to more restaurants, grocery stores, and much closer to the beach. We often get asked how we find apartments, and this time I had posted in an expat group on Facebook, and a fellow Canadian replied instantly with this beautiful property. Just wait until you see the views from the balcony. And just like the last place, this one's also fully equipped with everything that you could need. This is another one of our favorite spots, known for their huge tequila drinks called cantaritos, tequila with fresh squeezed juices. You can get one as big as 15 liters. Also, the food is super yummy. Recently discovered in our new neighborhood are these guys. Oh my god, their tacos are so good. I always get the queso birria, which is basically a cross between a taco and a quesadilla, and Patrick loves their chorizo tacos. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos to come. Thinking maybe Cozumel? See you in the next one.